Hey guys, back. It's me. We're back on the Manchester. We're on the Manchester world with the one with the class 3200. And we're at Glossop in the lovely Northern Railway livery. I've not travelled on any of these trains in real life, so but I have driven a few on the simulator. We are due to depart here at 9:05 at half past, which will make it depart on its journey up to Manchester. While we're waiting, we could have a little look. Yeah, Glossop. Some nice flows there. And there's our and we are going to Hartfield. That's our destination. It is a that's nice. It's an electric train. Yeah, what's that? All around. It is now. Wait for the word I'm gonna say. Are we in here? Yes, we're all good. It is now time to depart. So we're now heading up to Hartfield platform 1. We arrive at 9:11, 11 minutes past 9. Keeping the speed limit for the average electric trains, because they do kinda wanna just go. Up to 40 miles an hour now. Pushing our first station very shortly. We'll be at 25 miles an hour again in 100 and very shortly. And we're approaching 10 miles an hour speed limit. Single liner, that's right. I think we go left here. Oh no, we don't. Ah, I know where we're going now. When I first did the route before recording it, I came where we just saw the left side. I came in that side. You're approaching 40 miles an hour very shortly. Then 20 yards. Much better now about speed. Then we'll go back down to 15 miles an hour. There we go. Mark 25. We are now approaching the first train station, which is Hartfield platform 1, which we are bang on time with. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Thank you for watching that short video from one station to another. But I hope you enjoyed that video, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in another video.